Okay.
Where was
Yeah,
it?
man, SR boss, I represent for Jamaican Chat, Baddest channel. I mean, alone in all the dark room.
Wagwan my people, bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know before me jumping at my people, me I beg on a like, share, subscribe on the video here. And you don't know what to give Father God. Thanks to Father God so we have life. Alright my people on the done see what go on the screen. That one here hot my people. Very hot. When the done see what go on my people, we're gonna have a look at discussion. We're gonna share a video we wanna see because I don't know people. IG I go crazy from yesterday when Skeng dropped that video here, my people. A lot of commentary has been going all over the place. But the thing at my people, because in that alone my have phone, we also have a sneak preview of Valiant interview that is gonna be on CVM TV, and that is gonna be next week Wednesday, my people. So you see Jamaican Chat at work, my people. We have an interview phone. We're gonna come in next week Wednesday. So stay tuned, my people. I'm gonna show you. We'll go on with Skeng, and then we'll come back and have a reason about that.
What you say?
No, I'll never.
Okay.
No.
Yeah, my people, that I was going with Skeng, that I load up the whole IG, my people. Whole IG, be different commentaries. You understand? You have some commentaries. You have people who are big him up, you have people who are not being so nice. You have people who are be straight up disrespectful as well. You understand? You have people who say him look like him dep on drugs, him look like him cocoa. They must say I'm not saying nothing good, my people. You have people that say him look like him want some porridge, him look like him want some soup, them type of thing, them my people. When you tell more only thing about it, me actually not even gonna say, me just I wonder if Skeng alright. To be honest, me just I wonder if him alright. You understand?
Okay.
What the man blow out him head for? Eh? But anyway, my people, you don't make me know what only think about that. You can just comment down in the comment section. Alright, my people. And on the done see what go on, that I gonna take me over to the major updates of the day right now, my people. And as I tell you now, Valiant himself have an interview next week Wednesday on CVM Sunrise, my people. So when you check out that interview there, it's going to be aired in the morning, my people. Alright, before me jumping at the interview though, last night Valiant did a performance for the government. You understand? Because you know say a reggae month, right? And they had a series of shows started from January coming over through Bob Marley's birthday, and last night was Ochi night. So they took it to Ochi and they were in the IRFM parking lot, and me just gonna drop a little snippet for showing what Valiant did. We'll soon come back, my people. Alright, so big up yourself Valiant for that spectacular performance last night. And people you don't see Valiant well versatile. Him never have to give them the chopper gospel style. Him give them reggae cause it was reggae month. You understand? And he mash it up, my people. Alright, and you don't know what to take time for big up the government as well. I never really big up government people, but what for big up for that show ya. You understand? Celebrating reggae and all of that throughout the month of February and all of that. Big up on yourself. Alright, my people, so we're gonna jump in it right now. I don't tell you now. And I'm gonna repeat, check out the interview, the full interview, which is gonna be on Sunrise, CVM Sunrise, next Wednesday, 7:45 a.m. my people. Alright, I'm gonna show you a little snippet of what to expect in the interview, my people. You don't know Jamaican Chat. Me I go beg you now, continue for just like, share, subscribe on the video, my people. It does a lot for the content, and not to mention it does a lot for the channel as well. You understand? Big up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out, my people.
Right, oh, somebody else would have feel I want to feel. Because normally I used to write for myself. But now you have fun. So I want to hear some different type of music. So you have to write what them want to hear. So for me, I master my craft. So each step of my grow, I master my craft. I can't say I'm a great writer yet, or nothing like that. I'm going to give me such as a bit. I want to be a great writer. So I master my craft each step of my take by writing. Cause if I listen to some of my past songs, them, so I normally sound to know there's improvement and growth. So maybe 5 years from now, how my sound now, my sound younger to how sound that.
Yeah, I mean, but you said you write what people want to hear. Are you surprised then, or when you sit back and look at how you're viewed on YouTube, #1 artist who's viewed on YouTube across the region, are you surprised that is happening?
Right, oh, somebody else would have feel.
To all my ladies, Bumbo Rascal, listen. I'm here beside you when you wake up. Natural beauty, no makeup. Breakfast in bed before you get up. How you stay so? Carry up on the road for get your nails done. Tell me how the hair go. What cause I will fight and still not let go. You mad girl. We swear for my life and you are my wife though. Tell it to the world. And you are my girl. Tell it to the world. And you are my girl. Tropic with you for months. I know about your favorite. Been years with you now. She called me a lover boy. I'm a lover boy.